In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PDF security in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and from there, click on this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. You can also sign up for a free trial of 14 days by clicking on this Try It Free option that will appear. Now, you also have the option to buy the software directly from them by clicking on this Buy Now that will appear. Now, if you already have access, click on this login and click on this Bluebeam in order to sign up or log in for an account. So I've already installed it, and here is what the Bluebeam looks like. Now, into this case, just open the PDF, and I have right here this particular PDF of mine. Into this case, proceed to click on the document menu that will appear. And into this part, just head over and then select the security option. You can also just click on Ctrl L in order to open this. Now here is what it looks like on the security. Click on this change permissions. So in here we have the preset. You can require a password to open a document, require a password to print, copy, or edit, and also choose right here the encryption that will appear. You can also choose right here the pages that will be encrypted, like it can be custom range, the current, or all pages applicable. So if you require a password, you can change your preset directly from here as well. As you can see right now, everything's been allowed. So for this case, you can just require a password. Input right here the password that you want to use and verify it. And once you're done with that, head over and then save changes. Now you can also unallow printing as well as changes applicable, copying, and extracting content. Once you're done, save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.